So we have Demboymada.
Hi, MG. How are you?
I'm doing good, you good?
I'm great. I'm ecstatic. 3-0 before halftime. I feel good.
What you think you game out done?
6. Fully 6. Fully 6.
Who you want to score?
Cephas. Dixon. You see him fight hard?
Yeah, man.
He might go score, man. Cephas, Dixon.
Rima man, you can't support the Rima man. Them.
Yes, yes.
When I realize
combination.
the whole front line of Rima, you know?
Honestly,
Boza, Sifa, Dixon.
yes. I didn't remember. I
Yeah.
swear.
Me see you have to go, man. But you enjoy the game, though.
I'm enjoying the game, but I don't like the back. My back is turned. I can't see what's going on.
I know.
You know if you blink, you miss it.
That's true.
But very disappointing from the keeper. One goal from the the Bermuda guy. Captain, one goal. Don't go back to Bermuda.
Me no mind still, me no mind.
Thank you. Thank you for that. But if you take away captain from him.
All right, thanks here. Enjoy
No
the game.
problem. Let's enjoy. Thank you.